Look at this day outside. Whew. Hey guys, how's it going? What's going on? It is bright out. What's up? I got back from Minnesota last night. Well, me and Justin did. He took off last night though. He wanted to sleep in his bed for one day, and then I don't know where he's going, back to Windsor or something. I didn't even unload the quad last night. I said, screw it, I'm going to bed. So I got home actually. I ended up doing an hour of desk work on the computer there, so I didn't get to bed till 1, but I slept in good, which is all that matters. I needed some sleep. We left at like 5:30 a.m. yesterday, or the other day, and then we got back around midnight last night, so it was a long drive. We were going to divide it up, and then we said, screw it, let's just power all the way through so we can sleep at home, save money on a hotel. But I got to the border, and I'm like, okay, I'm going to fill up with some cheap American gas. Totally forgot. I got to the border. I was so tired. I just drove right through it. I'm like, rack. So I didn't get any beer or cheap American gas. So my truck's on like 30K to empty. Oh well, whatever. So it's nice outside today. It's like 16 degrees. Not super nice out, but warmer than it has been. Hopefully the track has been drying up. It looks dry down there. I know they had a sunny weekend all weekend here, so same weather we had in Minnesota. I hope you guys enjoyed the collaboration videos. I sure did. I had an amazing time out there. So much fun. Yeah, I was like expecting this, and they gave us this. So those guys are amazing. If you're not already subscribed to Seaboys TV, go check out their channel, subscribe. A ton of awesome guys. So anyways, yeah, I kind of slept in today. I slept till like 11:30. I was so tired. I didn't even set an alarm. I'm like, you know what? I'll wake up when I wake up, and I woke up at 11:30. So I've just been editing all morning, trying to get everything together. Some of the videos are like 5-6 gigs. It may not seem too big to you guys, but for me that's huge because our internet is slow as crap. So it takes me like a day or two to upload. So I'm going to head to London today and just upload at Starbucks, but I got that uploading. I don't know what's going on this computer. I was doing emails and crap on there before. What else? Oh yeah, I put in a big merch order. So obviously I don't make my own merch. I go through Design by Humans. I wish I could make my own merch, but I don't have time, or I'd rather, concentrate on other things. So anyways, when we headed down to Minnesota, I picked up a bunch on the way, and the guys wanted some, so Trudging got this shirt. I love that one. There's this one Brad got, the words and stuff, so it's actually a Team 408 shirt. The team's in black. He wanted black, so it's kind of hard to see, but there's some yellow camo. There's the beer league one. That's what Ty got. And then there's Amazon company. These Amazon companies email me every day, and it's like, do a review on our stuff. I'm like, I don't have time. I don't want to do reviews. But anyways, this company sent me some LED lights. I don't know how they work, but I already have HID or LED lights in my truck. So Matt said he'd take them. So once he gets them hooked into his truck, I'll have to do a video on them. They look pretty sweet. They look pretty good condition. But yeah, if you want to check these guys out, Woksama. So anyways, let's head over. Well, I got to head out back outside. I got to put some pants on. That's first goal. You guys want to see me put pants on? I'm going to head over to the barn. I'm going to wash my truck because it was a 3,300 kilometer tour there and back. So it was definitely a long drive just for a weekend. But yeah, I got to unload the quad, throw the tires back on. I got to throw bolts in the back axle because when I do the bicycle, I think the axle kind of loosens off. And then, yeah, so I'll throw that in there, head to the barn, wash everything up. Then I got to head to London, upload those videos, get back to the gym, burn off that American food. And then it's wing night tonight. So let's carry on. If you guys want some merch, there's like 32 designs now, and they come in guys, girls, kids, cups, stickers. Check out the link below if you want it. If not, okay. But yeah, all right, let's keep rolling here. All right, time to get this quad out of here. Oh, it is nice today. It's amazing to finally feel this good weather after it's just been rain and snow and crap and junk and all the fun stuff. Can't believe how much tread's still on these tires. I mean, I've done my fair share of burnouts, and usually when you're done doing a burnout, there's not much left to it. Oh, I do have a bit of gas left, I guess. I filled this up with unleaded for my truck, so at least I have 20 liters left, or whatever that is. Come on, truck. Open up here. I need this. I need my toolkit. I guess I'll take the hood too. Fun stuff indeed. Unlock this thing. I don't know how good this bike lock would work, but I'm sure if anyone ever tried to steal it, it would work all right. Slow them down a little bit. There. Take the brake off. Slide her back a few feet. As you can see here, I lost that bolt. This one loosened off pretty good, so I'm gonna take a few things apart, grease everything up, get her going again. How do I do this? What is the right way? I guess I need my impact, a couple sockets, take all the nuts off. You know, these nuts. Because I can't really do the easy quad unload without tires on this thing. That's for sure. Take these off. Life is so much easier with a drill. Especially these Makita ones. These Makita drills are alright actually. This is just an older one, but she works good. Good. All right, what can I use to lift that quad up and hold it up? Ah, there's a crate. That looks strong enough, eh? Good enough? You know what they say? At 2 a.m., good enough? All right, throw the brake back on. It's a lot easier when I have Justin here. I lift things up, he puts things underneath. But good thing I'm somewhat strong though. There, listen to that. What are they doing over there? Tearing stuff up. Put this on, whoop, like that. Throw a few of these bad boys. Couple nuts. These are hyper carbon fiber rims, if any of you guys are wondering. I used to run aluminum bead locks before, and then I got these. And they're amazing. They go through hell and back. I've only ever seen one break, not on my quad, on someone else's quad, but yeah, they are amazing. That is pretty loud over there, whatever they're doing, grinding up trees. All right, couple more nuts and we should be good to go. Oh, it needs a wash too. I should probably take it for a wash. I think I just want to wash my truck today though. I'm kind of feeling, I don't have the most energy today though. I'm still kind of tired from all that driving, so. All right. Let's slap this on quick. Boom, boom, boom. Just pound it right on. This side. These are not going to be coming off for a while, so well, until I burn the rest of these tires off and then have to change the tires just like so. Boom, boom. Hup. That's how it's done, boys and girls. All right, let's go wash the truck. So we're missing some bolts here. Thank God I picked up this bolt kit years ago from KTM. It has all the extra, you know, bolts and stuff you need. So this one should be about the right size. Hey, look at that, like new. I should just change all these out. Let's tighten that up and keep ripping here. Just noticed my chain was super tight. So I don't know if you guys have ever tightened ATV chain before, but this housing isn't exactly round. It's kind of, I don't know what the word is. But anyways, you loosen these 4 off and you jam something in the side here. There's actually a special tool, but those will work. And then you just pull it backwards. You see that moves back. And that's how you loosen your chain. Then you tighten her back up, just like so. Hey buddy. Hey buddy. Did you miss me? You miss me? Hey? Toby. Toby. Oh. Did you have a good weekend? Yeah? Good boy. Good boy. Oh. Yeah. You're such a good boy. So this thing was fairly clean before we left, but we did about 3,300 kilometers and with a road grime on it. It's just, you know, the highway gets to you. You get all the brake dust and the grease off the trucks and everything. Oh well, let's give her a quick wash. Use a little spray 9 on the girl. This stuff, this is how I keep my bike so clean. This stuff works amazing. No, not sponsored. I just really like their product. But yeah, let's clean her up. Look at all that crap. Grease City. Whew. That's it off. Because a clean truck is better than a dirty truck. They always drive a bit better and a bit faster. Look at it all. Comes right off that spray 9. Perfect. She's clean now. I gave her the full wash and scrub and spray 9 and rinse and everything. It is clean. I'm sure there's still a tiny bit of mud underneath the spots we missed, but this will do for now. I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow or the next day, so I just wanted to get all the road grime from the road trip off. Keep her clean for a few more days. Brian's here. I got my new Tough Tech high vis on, my rain jacket. Getting her clean. It's almost time to head to the gym. Alright, getting some stuff done. Look at those buckets looking good. Whew, got that truck cleaned. It was a lot dirtier than I thought it was. I do love that color because it looks clean a lot longer than it is, but if you get in real close, you know, you do get that grime on it. But good thing I got the pressure washer at the barn and some good cleaning supplies, and that took that crap right off there. The hardest part is that grease sometimes you get from the highway, from like trucks dropping grease and stuff, but got her all off. So I got my computer rendering right now. Yes, the screen's off. It's not just shut off. I got 4 videos ready to upload. I'm going to swing over to Starbucks, get those uploaded in about 100 times faster than our internet is. And then I'm going to head to the gym. Got my gym stuff. I got some posters. I had a whole bunch, but I took them down to Minnesota, and there's lots of fans there, so I signed lots and gave them away. And I got some stickers. So if you guys ever see me driving around or anything, you see my truck, feel free to come up to me. I always carry posters and stickers. If anyone wants one, just let me know. I got them. So anyways, let's tour on here. Enjoy that weather outside. It's so nice out. Like, you don't even need a coat today. Let's pack the stuff in the truck and head over to Starbucks. Busy day here. It is windy. So I just left my truck at Starbucks with my computer updating or uploading videos in the parking lot, and fair walk over to the gym. Quick one. Doing workout crushed. I left my truck or my laptop in my truck beside Starbucks. Upload those videos. Hopefully it's done. Well, good thing I washed my truck today. It is raining pretty good now, so it got dirty, but I was just glad to get it fairly clean. That's something to do today. Anyways, yeah, this video Got another video rendering now. It's like 45 minutes long. And I uploaded 4 or 5 videos at Starbucks. I got all the C-Boys videos up and going now. So we're good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed all the videos, because obviously by the time you see this one, you'll have watched them. And if you haven't watched them, go back onto my homepage and go check them out. There's some good stuff in there. Lots of awesome variety pack stuff. So look at the rain. Look at the rain. I should have just held off and washed my truck, but oh well. Oh well indeed. Anyways, I'm just gonna relax for an hour. I'm tired. Then Trudge is gonna pick me up and we're gonna head to Wings. So that's some of that merch upstairs is actually his though. The Do Epic shit one. So yeah, let's I'm gonna go relax, then we'll go get some wings and I'll show you guys, tease you guys with some food, and then we'll wrap this video up. She got dark out quick. Check out your merch. Not that, those ones, yeah. There you go.
Pretty sweet.
You're not bad.
Right on.
Not too bad at all.
Awesome.
Crush some wings?
Might as well.
Let's roll.
Want some new merch?
Nice.